It back there for me. Thank you so much. Again, this left side of the river, usually a better view and a better angle on that side. In fact, look who just surfaced there to say hi. And back. A couple Maasai's up here on the left hand. Cool. Have a seat. Thank you so much. Besides that mouth, for one, white or a bit bigger. And by a bit, I mean a 2,000 pounds difference. White rhinos weigh in about 5,000 pounds. Full grown black rhinos smaller at the 3,000 mark. Rhinos that were in the road before, look over there, they're back. Now, you can see she has wings. She is showing them off. She does have wings. There's another one up here also showing you the wings. They do have wings, but they are flightless for its post. A little bit of a warning for you guys, when we do make it up to a wards post, you're going to feel a slight shift up because we're going to go uphill to get there. You're also going to hear what sounds like a really, really bad metal sound. It's actually a good thing. It means we've made contact with the dock, and you guys will easily be able to step down from the truck. So when we get around that corner, you're going to feel the shift up because at that point we will be going uphill, and you're also going to start hearing that really awful metal sound. And I will warn you, it even sounds bad to us. But no worries about it. It is normal, and it's actually, again, a good thing. It means you guys will easily be able to step down from this truck. Alright, and here we go. Back around that corner, and up to our wards post. Now when you exit out of the wards post, if you go to the left, that's going to take you on the Pangani Trail. You go to the right, and that will take you back up into the village. Well, Jumbo! I brought most of them back again.